to Shree's Coding Hub. Till the last episode, we have seen so many concepts in C language. We have seen what are built-in functions and we have also used a built-in function printf in various fashion. Now, we have in the last episode we stopped our learning at the line we got a mysterious output for this printf. Let's once again see what is the output. Left 9 or left 5. You can see our output is 98. Now, here, as we discussed in the last episode, percentile D stands for integers, but the character which we define in between a enclosed single quotations, it is defined as character, but the output is an integer value 98. It is irrelated to our line which we specified in printf. So, till here, if you are not gone through those videos, the links will be provided in the description. Please go and check out. In this way, we are going to learn C language from basic level to pro in series wise. So stay tuned. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Now without getting late, let's get started. Now, here, what is the reason behind this mysterious output? Here, the another concept comes into play which is called ASCII codes. What it is called? ASCII codes. Now, ASCII code stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. What for ASCII code stands? American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Now, what are these ASCII codes? There are total 255 ASCII codes. There are total 255 ASCII codes. Now, what are these ASCII codes? For every character, there is an ASCII code. For example, let's take a alphabet capital A. Now, the ASCII code for capital A is 65. Like this. There is an integer expression for every alphabet and also an alphabetical expression for every integer. This concept is known as ASCII codes. ASCII code stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Now let's take another example. For small a, ASCII code is 97. Now for capital B, the ASCII code is 66. Now for small b, the ASCII code is 98. Now here, if you clearly observe, the difference between capital alphabet and small alphabet is 32. The difference between capital alphabet and small alphabet is the difference is 32. Not only for these alphabets, there is ASCII codes. There are ASCII codes for so many for every character. For example, there is also a ASCII code for number 1. Let's for number 1 or for number 1 also there is an ASCII code. For Q also there is an ASCII code. Like that. For every character there are ASCII codes. Now this is the reason we are getting here the output as 98. Here percentile D stands for integer. So it tries to give the output in integer manner in the number format. But we gave the input a character in between enclosed single quotation. The character we defined is B. Now it searches for the ASCII code of B, which is in form of numbers, Now the ASCII code for character B is here we mention 98. So that is the reason we are getting the output as 98. You can see the output we are getting 98. Now let's see the output for another alphabet capital A. For saving F2, Alt F9 compiling, Control F9 for linking and loading output. You can see we are getting the output is 65. Now in the same way, let's see the output for small a. Now you will understand the concept of difference. How much the difference is? 97. Now for capital A we got the output 65 and for small a we got the output 97. The difference between 97 and 65 it's obviously 32. So the difference between capital and small alphabets is 32. The difference between small and capital alphabets is 32. I hope you guys understood. Now, here, I hope you guys understood very well. In due to the usage of percentile d, it is searching for integer. It is for searching for number format expression for character a. In our ASCII code concept, the ASCII code for character a is 97. So that's why we got the output as 97. So now let's write the same thing in different fashion. Now I am writing C, percentile C, which stands for character. But I am giving the I am not giving any character. I have just given the number 65, which is a number format. Now percentile C, try what percentile C refers. Percentile C refers to the character. Now percentile C tries to give the letter format output. Letter form, it tries to give a letter A or B or C. It tries to give in the output in that manner, but we give the input as 65, which is a number format. So it searches for the ASCII code of 65. What is the ASCII code of 65? As we know, the ASCII code of 65 is A, capital A. So the output must be a character. The output it tries to give is in character way. It tries to give letters. So the letter we should get is capital A as far as we know. So let's see, is the output is our satisfactory. Alt F5. You can see the output is capital A, which is ASCII code of 65. Now this is the concept of ASCII code. There are total 255 ASCII codes in coding segment. This is the program. Uh, Here this concept is new for us. Here we didn't discuss for loops, but I am trying to show all the ASCII codes, all the 255 ASCII codes. Now here, if you observe, we got ASCII codes for everything, for every character in language. For every character, there is a ASCII code for A, there is ASCII code for B, there is ASCII code for C, there is also ASCII code for small r, there is also a ASCII code for small q, and there is also a ASCII code for uh, like there are ASCII code for so many things in this. Uh, like this, there is also ASCII code for equal to, there is also ASCII code for minus, there is also ASCII code for less than symbol, there is also ASCII code for greater than symbol. Like this, we have ASCII code for every character. There are total 255. Here you can start the number started from 0 and the number ended at 254. Like this, there are 255 ASCII codes in C language. I hope you guys understood very well. Now, huh, let's try to do something different with this. Printf percentile d slash n comma, I will add with small a. Let's see the output. What would be output? If you can guess the output, please mention in the comment. How? Before seeing the output in my window, not after seeing. The output is 162. Can you guess how with the number we got 162? Here, the ASCII percentile d refers to integer. So, it tries to find the integer value of given character. So, what is the integer value of capital A? What is the ASCII code? The ASCII code of a capital A is 65. So, 65. We used arithmetic operator plus, which means to add. So, 65 is got added with the ASCII code of small a. What is the ASCII code of small a? The ASCII code of small a is 97. So 65 plus 97. What would be the result? Obviously the result which we got, 162. If wanted, you can check in the calculator. So I hope you guys understood very well. This is the concept of ASCII codes. This is the reason behind that mysterious output which we got in the last episode. If you are not gone through those episodes, the link will be provided in the description. Please go and check out.